Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can shrink the size of your pores and make them look less visible. So let's get into it. So the first way is by using green tea. No, I'm not going to ask you to drink it. We are going to apply it on our skin. So all we have to do is brew some green tea, and you can take green tea leaves or green tea bags, whatever is available. And we are going to use green tea because green tea has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps reduce sebum secretion and unclogs pores, which we want, right? So unclogging pores will make them look less visible, will shrink them in size, and clean pores will look less smaller in size. Next, we are going to add cotton pads into the green tea. So you can take cotton balls or whatever cotton is available, and we are going to dip it in the green tea like that. And after that, we are going to put this in the fridge for about 1 hour or so until this gets chilled. And once it is chilled like that, and then I'm going to place them on the open pores. So that would be on my nose, on my forehead, and on the apples of my cheeks. So these are the areas where I get a lot of open pores. You can also get it on your chin, so you can also use one pad on your chin. So this is how I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to let it sit on my skin for about 15-20 minutes. So it's been 15 to 20 minutes and the cotton is back to the room temperature. So I'm going to remove it. So this will instantly soothe your pores, and you can use this after your workout or right after you take your shower or after coming home from a really hot long summer day. And now the second way is to use ice cubes. So I'm going to take a bowl full of ice cubes and I'm going to add some water into it. And now I'm going to dunk my face in the bowl full of ice. So this was really scary for the first time, but after doing it a few times, it got normal. I'm just going to stay in for 2 to 3 seconds and I'm going to come back. So you need to hold your breath till the time you are in, and obviously it is a temporary solution for the pores, but this does make a difference and it makes the skin look really tight. And I do this for a few times and we are good. And the second way is to rub the ice directly on your face. So this is also equally effective, and if you are too scared to dunk your face in the bowl full of ice, you can do this. And this instantly, like within seconds, this shrunk the size of the pores. And now the third way is by using a clay mask. While there are plenty of ingredients that can unclog your pores and reduce the appearance of your pores, but clay tends to be the most effective. So the one which I'm using is from Sugar Cosmetics, and this one is the 3-minute pore cleansing mask. And I love this one because it has kaolin clay and it also has charcoal. So clay and charcoal work so well together, and they have really magnetic abilities to suck your dirt and oils from your pores and to make them super fresh. So I love this one. You can take any clay, whichever is available. You can take bentonite clay, or you can take Fuller's Earth, or you can use kaolin clay, whatever is available. And I'm going to let this sit on my skin for 3 minutes, and you can see the stages how it dries up so quickly. Like it literally dried up in 3 minutes. And clay masks are also great for all over exfoliation, and I'll link some of my favorite clay masks in the description if you want to check them out. Now I'm going to wash this off and be right back. And yes, this one did suck all the dirt and grime out of my pores. So if you have dry skin, I would suggest you use a sheet mask after using a clay mask, because that would really bring back the moisture that has been lost due to the clay mask. So a sheet mask would be an ideal thing to do after a clay mask for dry skin. And if you have oily skin, you can go ahead with your toner and your moisturizer and you're good. And the one which I'm using is from Plum Goodness, and it is their green tea alcohol free toner. I like to use the toner with my hands rather than using it on a cotton pad because that really ensures that you are getting all of the product on your face. One more thing you can do is that store your toner in your fridge, and a chilled toner will work really amazing for your pores. And these were the 3 ways in which you can reduce the appearance of large pores and make them look less visible. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it useful, and if you do try any of the techniques, do let me know and I would love to listen to all of them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.